Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go in and out of full screen mode in Google Chrome. So if you, instead of wanting to jump between different tabs, you might have different programs and applications open. If you just wanted to open up Google Chrome in complete full screen mode without any distractions, this tutorial will be for you. So pretty straightforward. So there's a couple different ways to do it. If you're on a Windows computer, you could hold down the F11 key on your keyboard just to make it go full screen, as I'm on right now. If you're on Macintosh, you might need to hold down the Control, Command, and F key on your keyboard at the same time. So pretty straightforward on that. It's pretty cool. Another thing you could try would be to actually go from within the browser itself. So if you go up to the menu icon up near the top right, where if you hover over it, it says Customize to control Google Chrome. Left click on that. Across from Zoom, you'll notice there's a little picture frame looking icon. If you left click on that, it'll make it go full screen. So pretty straightforward from that. And then if you wanted to close out of it, just drag your mouse up to the top right corner. You see a little X now appears in the middle of the screen. We just left click on that. You gotta be quick, but let me do that. Click on the X. So that's just an alternative way if you didn't want to use your keyboard shortcut, even though I think it's pretty simple to remember. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.